What's up, guys? I Fix It in Your Face. Don't forget, I have a Facebook that you guys can join if you have questions about anything in the video or anything in regards to anything motorcycle, scooter, fix-it stuff. Join my Facebook. It's an easy way to get in contact with me and get you help you need. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, all that good stuff, man. I make these videos for you guys. I don't make them for me. You can help me by dropping a subscription. Join the Facebook. I'm telling you, man, join the Facebook. If you're trying to get in contact with me, it's the easiest way to do it. Okay? Don't forget, everything you need is in the description below of the video. Let's get started. What's going on there, guys? I want to show you a quick test to show you how to test if you're having a carburetor problem with one of your cylinders or a misfire. This is a very easy way to detect which cylinder is doing it. This is old school mechanic trade kind of teaching here. But it's very efficient and it works 90% of the time easily. So let me get this bike started. You're going to need a little bottle of water and you're going to want to poke a tiny little hole in the top of it. So let me get this bike warmed up and I'm going to show you how to test to see if you have a misfire. I'm pretty sure this bike doesn't, but still this is a solid way to test. It is like 100% guaranteed to tell you whether one of your cylinders and exactly which one is not firing. So it should make troubleshooting much easier. So let me get this bike running and then I'll show you. Alright, so your bike is warming up here. You're going to come down to your headers. You're going to come right down here to where your headers are at. You should start feeling some heat off your headers. The warmer the bike gets, the faster this will work. So we're going to test, you can see which header leads into what cylinder. This is a very easy way to test. Give it a spray. If it burns off and sizzles like that real quick, well, then you know that cylinder's firing. Boom. Boom, gone. Gone. All 4 cylinders are firing. If you had one cylinder that wasn't firing, the heat would get on there, or the water would get on there, and it may just slowly disappear. It wouldn't sizzle, you wouldn't see steam, you wouldn't see anything. I mean, you can clearly see what happens. It's almost instantaneous. Gone. Gone, you know. Gone. So if you had a cylinder that wasn't firing properly, that is a very easy way to diagnose that problem.
Are you sure this is okay? You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now, she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay? All right.